All right, welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're going to be testing out our functionality of removing and deleting. All right, so what we need to do is make sure that you have some quotes around the zero right here. I think in the last lecture I didn't put a quotes around it. Make sure that you put some quotes. All right. Anyway, let's go to checkout and let's just put a static link here on this HTML. I'm just going to put another TD right here, and it's going to be a link, and it's going to say remove. All right, we're just going to send some really hardcore data. All right, this data is not going to be dynamic, and we're just going to send it into cart. All right, .php, and we're going to send in a parameter of question mark add equals to 1. That's going to be our product. Remember that we're sending the product ID in there. All right. All right, so once we click here, all right, this should send that data, and actually it should send remove. Sorry about that, remove. All right, once we click here, it will go to the cart.php. It will come here and it will remove that product. All right, so let's go ahead and see how that works. All right, we'll come here and we got the remove link right here, but we won't see anything here, so we need to display something there, right? So I think we're gonna have to leave that display in checkout all the time here. All right, so let's go ahead and create a little code here that will display this. If the products, I think session, right? Product 1, and we're just gonna say product 1 like this, is set, right? Actually, let's put it is set. We're just gonna test it with product number 1. All right, this is just for our purposes, testing purposes. Later on we'll do it the right way. We're just gonna echo out this session if it does exist. All right, that way we don't get that nasty error there. All right, make sure that this remove is redirecting back to checkout. All right, perfect. All right, so we got 3 right now, but if we click remove, we got 2, and we click remove again, we got 1. So it is working, is actually removing one item at a time. That's what we want to do. Now let's say we want to remove everything. Let's go ahead and put another link there, and let's check that out. Let's go to cart right here. All right, actually let's go to checkout, and let's create another link right here and another TD, and let's send the delete. All right, and just gonna say delete. All right, but we need to increment it before, right? Before we send it in, because we don't know. Let's increment it. 1 is 2. Let's do another one. It's 3. And let's do another one. It's 4. So that way we can just remove it. All right. So when we click delete, it's set to 0. All right, and we can just set it to no if we wanted to, but 0 is okay. All right. So as you can see there, we have deleted, removed the item there, and set the that session to 0. All right, of course we'll remove it when the time comes, but right now just know that that's how we are going to be doing this. Of course, we're gonna also be creating here a couple icons that I showed you in the demo, and they're gonna look a lot better than this. All right, I just wanted to test this out and make sure that it is working. All right, so we got this functionality working, and we need to start creating the cart real big function, the one that's going to be displaying, grabbing the sessions, splitting the sessions, and displaying it right here depending on what type of products are added to the cart. So that's going to be a pretty cool function, and it's going to well, function or piece of code is going to have a couple things that that are going to show you a lot of things, a lot of great knowledge. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.